In this tutorial, you will learn how to delete a site in Webflow. This process involves several steps within the Webflow interface, ensuring that you understand how to properly archive your site. By following these instructions, you will successfully remove the site from your dashboard. Begin by navigating to the Webflow dashboard. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Webflow URL. Once the page loads, locate and click on the Sites option in the left-hand menu. This action will direct you to a list of all the sites associated with your account. Next, identify the site you wish to delete. Browse through your list of sites and click on the specific site that you want to remove. This selection will highlight the site and prepare it for further actions. Ensure that you have chosen the correct site before proceeding, as this process cannot be undone easily. After selecting the site, look for the 3 vertical dots, often referred to as the More Options icon, located to the right of the site name. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu will provide you with additional options related to the selected site. From the drop-down menu, click on the Archive option. This action will initiate the archiving process for the selected site. Upon clicking, you will receive a notification informing you that archiving the site will remove it from your dashboard immediately. It is essential to read this message carefully to understand the implications of archiving. Following this, you will see a series of confirmation messages outlining the consequences of archiving the site. The first message will indicate that archiving will unpublish the site. Review this message to confirm that you understand the changes that will occur. Each message will clarify different aspects of the archiving process, including loss of access for other workspace members and the permanent deletion of associated projects. As you continue through the confirmation process, you will be asked to type the site name as a final confirmation step. This action is a safeguard to ensure that you are intentionally choosing to archive the site. Enter the site name in the provided field to acknowledge your understanding of the consequences. Once completed, you will be ready for the final step. Finally, click the Archive Site button to complete the process. After clicking, you will receive a confirmation that the site where the successfully archived and removed from your dashboard. Please note that this action is irreversible and you will no longer have access to the archived site unless you restore it from the archive if that option is available. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.